Hi, my name's Jessica and I'm an artist, and today we're going to draw a baby octopus. So the baby octopus is so tiny. They're like not even the size of a finger. They just are about this big here. So we're going to just start with the head, which is round at the top, and then it has these two little eyes on the side. So we're just going to draw those little eyes, and those are black. So you can color those in black. And then from there, it's pretty much all legs. So we're gonna bring one little leg down, and you can just curl up the ends. And they've got two in the front. There's one, and there's another one. And basically when you're drawing their legs, you're just taking a line and putting a little bit of swirl to it. And there's one on the other side. It's just a little swirl. It doesn't have to look exactly like the others because they're doing stuff with all their legs separately. So as you know, an octopus has 8 legs. So there are 4 in the front. Maybe you'll see one in the back here. Maybe another one over here. So there's 6, and then there are going to be 2 more in the back. So you don't actually have to draw those 2, but if you want to, you can bring them down so that we can see them. Just the backs like that. Finally, these octopuses just have some little spots on them. Little spots on their tentacles and on their head, and those spots are going to be black or brown or dark gray, just like that. And that is how you draw a baby octopus.